most financially independent people or families, they're not even sure they are. I mean, how could they be? They usually first generation wealth, they usually built the wealth themselves and they know all the things that can go wrong. They know how to make money, but they also know all the things that can go wrong. And then knowing how much is enough to maintain their lifestyle indefinitely, it's a slippery question. So maintaining financial independence and building to financial independence are kind of two different sciences. We had a couple that came to us after they sold their business in an all stock deal to a mega cap public company, billions of dollars. And this company is worth billions of dollars. And they felt they were set. So, we discussed diversifying a portion of it because the concentration all in one stock, so that it could put it in a trust, so they would just generate income for them, and they would be set indefinitely, and they would still have all this stock that they held, which was significant, available to them. But the stock was doing so well that they didn't do it. They figured they were set, so they just didn't do it. And then another couple came to us, and they had multiple streams of incomes from a bunch of little companies that they started themselves. They owned them, and they all had growth potential. Some of them, a few of them went under over the years, but they had some significant liquidity events on the horizon. Well, the first couple thought they were set until that stock just collapsed and it nearly wiped them out, and they're not financially independent anymore. The second couple is still not sure because they're still managing these companies, and but what they are doing is they're reducing their risk with a diversification of companies like the first couple discussed. They're building that, as well as maintaining the companies and growing the companies they have, and teaching their children how to do the same thing. So financial independence is not a static state, because things happen and life events occur. It takes continuous attention. It's necessary to have processes for maintaining it, adapting to your lifestyle changes, life event occurrences. You just have to always be ready.